Alright everybody, it is summertime and it's safe to say that a lot of us are out there on the golf course hitting the links and playing golf like crazy. And if you're like me, you either thin the ball or occasionally hit the ball fat. Well, I may have a solution for you. The Flatball full review coming at you. How you doing everybody? Michael Lewis Hudson. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all crushing it. As I said in this video today, we're gonna be doing a quick and snazzy review on the Flatball done by Izzo Golf. I bought this bad boy from Amazon for only $7.99, and the reason why I bought it is because not only was it affordable, but also I'm really trying to improve upon my iron game, and according to this, it's really gonna help you hit your irons pure. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unpackage this bad boy, try it, and give you my honest opinion whether this is worth buying or not. I'm gonna just kind of giving you guys a comparison between a normal golf ball and the flat ball. We have my vice ball here. This is what I typically use when I play. I think this is like what, 1 inch and 5/8 in diameter. This is the flat ball, so pretty similar in size, but obviously one is flat and one is not. So first thoughts on the flat ball, I noticed that it's very durable. I think there's kind of like a rubber sort of material here, and I'm not surprised because I'd hoped they'd make something very durable, especially if you're gonna be hitting it a lot. What I'm gonna do for the purpose of this video is when I test this, I'm gonna be using my 60-degree wedge first, and then I'll be using my 7-iron just to kind of give you a variation of what it feels of using this thing, and then also I'm going to translate it to my ball and tell you if I notice any differences. And if you watch my channel, you know that I've only been playing golf for like 2 or 3 years, so basically I'm the perfect you know, those tests, like a no, not a hamster. Basically, I would be the perfect lab rat. There you go, lab rat for this little device here. So with that being said, let's get it. So I just used my 60-degree wedge on the flat ball. Right now, I'm pretty impressed, and the reason why I'm saying that is because I was really nervous that this thing would be super lightweight, so when I crush it, it would like fly over the fence or something like that, or go just super far. But you know, at the end of the day, it goes at a reasonable distance, so you can keep getting the flat ball and just reusing it. I also did notice using a flat ball is that, you know, when you put it on the grass, you gotta make sure it's on a very flat surface. So if it's on something like sloped, if it's kind of uphill or downhill, it's really gonna ruin your lie. So make sure you have it on a really good flat surface on the grass. I'm gonna go ahead and use my 7-iron now on the flat ball, and the reason being is I just want to see what the difference is between using you know, a higher degree loft compared to a lower degree loft. So just got done hitting the 7-iron, and first off the bat, I really had to pull back using it. Reason being is that I usually hit my 7-iron about 150, 160. So I had to use like a kind of like a half swing because I'm afraid that it was just gonna launch. I did notice that the launch of the ball was a lot different using my 7-iron. It still went into the air, but just not as high as the 60-degree wedge, which is what I expected. For the most part, I would suggest just using the flat ball for your wedges or like your 9-iron. I probably wouldn't suggest it for your longer iron. And a lot of newbies to golf, they struggle with the wedges because you kind of hit it inconsistent. I believe that, you know, this product is really gonna help the newbie when it comes to their wedge game as opposed to long irons. All right, so after hitting about 30 shots with my irons with the flat ball, this is kind of how it looks right now. So you can see, kind of has some grass markings, a little bit of wear and tear right off the bat. So I don't know how it's gonna last after like hundreds and hundreds of shots. I guess that's why they put 6 in every pack. All right, everybody, so now I'm gonna be switching to the golf ball and just kind of tell you what it feels like after using the flat ball. I feel pretty comfortable, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a little chip, probably gonna go about 25% and see how it feels. Oh man, dead straight. Final rating, I'm going to give this flat ball, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Reason being is that I really notice a huge difference in using my wedge. So I'm basically gonna be using this for my wedge game. I can really see myself using this outdoors as well as indoors, especially during the winter time. So I can really see this as a really good training aid when you're working on your short game, as well as using it to warm up before a golf round. Again, you know, when you buy a package, it's gonna come in 6. Split that cost with, you know, $7.99. It's a really good deal. As always, everybody, I post links in my description. Feel free to hit that link in Amazon so you can purchase this. Only $8, so very, very minimal cost to invest in your golf game. That being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button, and also comment down below and let me know what type of fitness review you'd like to see next. Also, hit me up on Instagram. I post in there almost every single day. All right, everybody, much love to you all, and keep crushing it, my friends.